Hello guys, Connie Rosario here. So I'm here now in Musafa area and looking for restaurant to eat. So where is the restaurant here? Oops, I find one. It's called Wazirstan Restaurant. Wazirstan Restaurant. Okay, come on guys, let's try what is in here. What type of food is there in Wazirstan Restaurant? Come on guys, come with me. Okay guys, so see, you can see their foods. There are different types of food. Like they have the lamen, namkin pulao, moton peshwari, and also they have this moton tikka, moton malay, chicken. There's also chicken. So chicken, beef, moton, all available here, right? Yes. So it's available here. There's also barbecue chicken grill, right? Okay. There's also barbecue. Charcoal also have? Yes, also charcoal is here. So if you can see guys, there are a lot of foods to choose here in Wazirstan Restaurant, located here in Musapa 11 in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Okay. And this one, Moton Agpani Pulao.
Okay.
How much? Little?
Little 15 dirham.
Little 15.
Big 20 dirham.
Big?
20 dirham. The small 15.
Okay. So, I will try this Moton Agfani Pulao. Moton Agfani Pulao. So he is telling the single serving 15 dirhams, right? Okay, including what?
Sorry, include
What is included here?
this.
Gravy,
Yakni.
yakni,
This salad.
salad, yogurt.
Yogurt.
Okay, including yakni, salad, yogurt. Okay, so I will order Moton Agfani Pulao, small one. Okay, dear? Okay, and water, small, not cold. Okay? Thank you so much. My order is here now. There you go. The Moton Agfani Pulao, right? With yogurt, with chutney, and vegetable salad. Thank you so much. Charan! So, there it is. This is the Moton Pulao. Grabe naman ang rice. Umaapaw. Umaapaw ang rice. And then there's soup. This is the soup. This is the vegetable salad. And this is the yogurt. So first, let's try their soup. What's the name of your soup? Name? What's name? Name soup? Yakni. Yakni. The soup name Yakni. Yakni, okay? From Pakistan. Masarap, guys. Parang bulalo lang sa atin, guys. You know, yung lasa ng bulalo. Lasang bulalo, guys. Promise. Sarap naman ng kanilang Yakni soup. Yakni soup from Pakistan. Lasang bulalo. Ay naman Moton Agfani Pulao. Grabe naman ang rice talaga, umaapaw. I want pork please. Pork, yes, pork. Ayan guys, moton. Do you like moton guys? Are you eating moton? Ayan guys, oh, look at the moton. See, with bones. Grabe naman talaga yung rice. I cannot finish all this rice. Can I have one more small plate? I will put other rice because too much rice. No, pork. This is spoon. They don't have pork. They don't have fork here. Sorry, Connie. Only spoon. So I will use 2 spoons only. No fork, right? Yes. They don't know pork here. Huh? Yes. Every time smile. So, tara, let's go guys. Ayan, fresh ang kanilang vegetable. Carrots. Cucumber. Onion. Thank you. Isali natin yung kanin kasi ang dami. So, ilipat natin ang ibang kanin dito sa another plate. Lipat muna natin yung ibang kanin, guys. Para hindi matapon. Hindi masayang ang kanin. See? See the rice, guys? Ang dami, di ba? For 15 dirhams, you will get this sumptuous rice. And how many pieces of moton? See? 3 pieces of moton. See this one? Wow, looks delicious, guys. Let's see kung malambot ang meat ng moton nila. Malambot naman yung karne. Medyo matabang lang siya. Medyo matabang. Pero, sakto lang naman. Okay lang din. Harap. Okay naman. Masarap yung timpla ng meat. Masarap yung timpla ng meat niya. Agfan Pulao. See? See guys? See? Malambot naman. Sarap naman. Nice. Masarap niya with yogurt. Dapat pagkakain kayo ng moton pulaw, sasamahan nyo ng yogurt para mas masarap siya. Spoon to spoon ang gamit natin dito guys. Kasi wala silang pork. Ewan ko ba dito sa restaurant na to, wala silang pork. Hindi sila marunong gumamit ng pork guys. Spoon lang. Actually nakakamay lang sila. Normally, they use their hands when they eat. Mostly. Harap ng yogurt. Yung rice nila guys, merong mga strips of carrots and pasas, raisins and carrots included in the rice. Lambot ha. Ang fairness naman, malambot talaga yung moton. Sarap. Okay naman. Bet ko yung soup nila. Chutney. Bet ko yung soup nila guys, masarap. Lasang bulalo. See? Lambot. Well done naman. Okay. Kalas sa buto. Sarap. Kain tayo. Let's eat guys. Okay guys, bye for now. See you soon. Don't forget to follow for more. Bye.